We are about GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. A year game lady, if you're popular, and some of you. A year Bawumia and before one flag bearer. Bo applaud no Pupio Kumasi or the Kennedy Agyapong again in the campaign in Nakoye and Sembri. Now, some people raya and some women now. Mr. Say, so we are subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Say, over subscribe. Whatever I say, over click a subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. When sa video for free, I be uploading. Also, once I ever can't be. I feel we are now, what like video, no give us a thumbs up. No fee, what share. Share my offer so now when you be now watch it. I feel Yambonga a Sammy. Dr. Mahama Bawumia MPP one flag bearer. You Kumasi Eddie campaign TT a position so. Now, no, the Kennedy Agyapong showdown. Kennedy Agyapong. The MPP one flag bearer. Blackberry no ekoye and celebrate Kennedy bukuye celebrate people na say no wani na akambo na Kennedy ebo Bawumia wa campaign na bi say ma ekoye ema Bawumia wani ni say wan fa Kennedy anka wan ho dia won hwa be ye celebrate na no na ye game lady if ye Akufo-Addo analysis bi atuga fa ye mo aye Kennedy Agyapong etimide bo aye campaign ma ni ma ekoye ema ye Dr. Mahama Bawumia. Yes, no, you mumpini a game lady, a analysis I would to get a fire and Dr. Mahama Bawumia, the Campia Akoto, Indian Zama, what the Indian Zama.
Kennedy Agyapong is the knight and shining armor. Kennedy Agyapong is the rescuer. Now, MPP campaign was kind of shaky. Say, Omode Kennedy Agyapong about the joining fray, no, another showdown in the campaign. Already, Mahama, he's taking the lead in terms of campaign, no, he's taking the lead. In terms of poll say yes, why are likely say winning? No, Mahama was leading until like a month or two near things are beginning to change. But you see, poll can never give you specifics of the winning. Why has MPP brought in Kennedy Agyapong? So behind him say MPP campaign 100%. God, we are telling you exactly the truth. There's no way MPP Beko Kennedy Agyapong. Maybe for the aesthetics, but MPP Nankasa knows say after primary super delegates Congress, any primary elected Dr. Bawumia, all was not well. Who follow Kennedy Agyapong utterances, including the Wako excesses. Kennedy Agyapong, brilliant businessman, sharp man, Sikeni entrepreneur, but he has his excesses. The excesses ni bini attack or they attacking Bawumia, including Bawumia, needless. It was needless. But you cannot deny the power. Star power na Kennedy Agyapong ekutano. Over the years, including its excesses, because only maybe anyone more 100%. Every human being counts with good, the bad, and the ugly. Certainly, Bawumia will be. Certainly, Mahama will be. Certainly, Kennedy Agyapong will be. The good, the bad, and the ugly. The goodness of Kennedy Agyapong or human relations. We build it. The philanthropic nature no when into papa. And it has formed a basis for some followership. You to know so I work and almost penny phobia for some reason. They see that in spirit in Kennedy Agyapong. That is why he wields that kind of star power na Kennedy Agyapong kutano. And this star power na Kennedy Agyapong kutan, despite or for any idea, you can't do away with it. And MPP for who say chale and can be a for abattoir. What so incumbent advantage which MPP will be but near maybe a coso including another excesses. None of me bam the MPP for be sending message or matem or more problem because it won't change my height, it won't change me Kasiana May and Obolono, it won't change it. But then the issue is that Nanado excesses are including failure to fight properly, corruption. Number 2, doom soya asana returning. Number 3, inflation. Number 4, city exchange ratio. Any generally economic indicators. Number 4, job creation. MPP by they haven't been able to show significantly, profusely. So much creative jobs are obeying himself. You see, this is the difference between another creating of jobs and President Akufo creation of jobs. And declare, one person to more utterances. Now the MPP Bawumia campaign is struggling. Corruption. And then the president influence people around him, then nepotism. NBC those days when Becca and Anado are your family and friends. I mean, Betty the NBC will be bring permanent because of that. Because I was the one of the first books Munja Masem. Because nepotism in Africa, all the governments we've had in Africa, there's a bit of nepotism. So nepotism not bad in itself. But the only day beginning Anado did a bush for God be a santimedia to other people. And the soundly cautious say, NBC forecast and nepotism and the fourth. We all know. Said there was a power struggle in government between Ken Ofori Atta Finance Ministry and Bawumia team, including the Bawumia chairman of economic management team, and Ken Ofori Atta to make a committee, our Bank of Ghana to manage the EFS economy. Politics didn't know. And beginning a catcher Nanado. Uncle for on my year, they may have Nanado the anonymous mistake or your two lawyer. But loyalty, should fit into a system. And before any bow 8 years, now Mahama first. When NPP was going on, even galamsey, the mismanagement of galamsey, who were supposed to fight the galamsey and were now part of it. Say, if you can't stop them, you join them. Until almost joining galamsey. Failure to deal with even those who were cited. That is why Kennedy Agyapong is the knight and shining armor. Kennedy Agyapong is the rescuer. Say Bawumia to me because see Obia marketing be himself cotton to me and me Dominic Akora. Empty Obia so Obia or tongue at the end toes. Yes, the end toes were Joma, the apple born and toes not patching the chassis. You have found that kind of so, and that is what Bawumia is struggling for. Economy, no, I say inflation is skyrocketing. City exchange exchange rate, there are key issues, unemployment. I want to share your 2 year mamu. Bawumia cannot afford to make that a center stage, unlike 2016. Because in 2016 he could afford because any opponent. But the truth and the make a chairman. No credit Bawumia economy can one send or better one be. Strategically, who said Dr. Santimo might be on your political marketing a PhD for ya. They will tell you in terms of political marketing, I made able from actually to say a year friends, in toast. Ya ton toast or Jomoa. Now you're marketing toast. You had been toast to the Akoto for Shasia. You found Penguini. You had the Akutuano, the air fresh Gusro. Near the Dada Neguasia. In 2 better near either than about Quafra. That is the campaign about Miaye. And now let's take it up on Sakansembi. Bawumia, 2016 and 2020, they were doing rallies. People can do rallies, but strategically, marketing purpose, rally because you cannot talk about economy, you cannot talk about other issues. The other thing I can say, Ghana, the other thing I can say about where beautiful friend. That's exactly what Bawumia is doing. And Bawumia no Kennedy Agyapong baby, Mahama, you see, Mahama campaign, so see, 2020 campaign, Mahama ran here, no. Any campaign, Mahama, Mahama, the campaign, no, quite a Dumas level. Mahama, the campaign, no, quite a 2.10. Mahama, I will add in a couple. Mahama, who said, platform, and just a kickboxing or book, as Azuma blows and Azuma on it, Gyamfi boxing. Mahama they are going to follow who say about Onyamo from Obu style baby. That's what Mahama is doing to. Whether Mahama campaign will result in actual winning of election, and yeah, Bawumia problem, and yeah, Mahama I can't 6 months. It's a long time enough. The Mahama yani say Obu Bawumia style baby economy waka and employment waka, EFS the city exchange rate waka, job creation. But Mahama road waka and once a crouching Mahama there be a free SHS Mahama education system me idea waka business people how they are struggling and the same thing about Bawumia at the year Mahama. In fact, technically Ushe pa the Bawumia the year Mahama 2016 no share than YDB. But I say no man home. Let it sink in. I'm repeating it again. Ushe pa campaign strategy NDC yes here. The Bawumia Mahama 2016 no from here to 2012. Be see say 2014, 2015, 2016. And yet we crown Mahama yen. Mahama campaign ko mo de ache Bawumia. I swear. Omo de ache Bawumia kakra. I swear. I'm telling you. Campaign. I mean, like week after week there was a forum. Week after week there was a lecture. Week after week there was indicators. Week after week near the blackboard, the basic whiteboard, near inflation, near when the fundamentals and people could relate because Bawumia at the time was speaking the truth. No crying about Bawumia and today no crying answer and also catch Bawumia no. Where are those indicators? When the fundamentals are weak, the city will expose you. The city is exposing. So the people who said IMF in 2014, it's very cheap to go to IMF. We are moving the economy from taxation production. Be careful what you say about other people. Be careful. But the question is, when you are personal, are you paying attention or not? It appears no. It appears NDC voting I am bold and no matter hard-headed. Bawumia fairly. Yeah, they are showing indicators so we fairly. Yeah, that's what you know. Before us, why hard-headed? Bawumia ye be. And you're the fault. Nanado na ye mistake. No to the nanado ka onko. Bawumia to aso na gisiano. This is the position we are. And who said the role of the followership, the role of the voter is crucial. Nipa to abano. Ni position yansan ode to aba. Ni knowledge ode to aba. Ni level of analytical brain is very important when it gets to this stage. Because it is not about your supporting one and your supporting one. It's about who is analyzing the issues based on proper issues. And I want to say, Nanado, online the proper Bawumia there, but do baby he owes Bawumia an apology. My penny says letting another Akufo-Addo me pewasem. Obi enim say me pewasem. But me na me catch o da no me can say. One day ya errors are we making and I will say it any day. Me na Nanado atena mania maybe we free churches ba fe. The issues me wa fa se ba ko. Say akole ye ni free school ko America. Me catch Nanado say free churches nko it's not the only thing your government can write on. I told him in his person. Oja ba me kan. Me dey me I go talk through. Oh, Freddy, be able to frame Jubilee Mama. I don't go die. When Papa Tabo for he die be that. He die be that. And yet, he will be Daniel. Matra, be careful. Sometimes, look on somebody must tell you. And can send be 2019. I'm sure that Kennedy Agyapong because Kennedy Agyapong himself mini panono from Tamao. Mimi di panono every day, every time. Any day, mini panic Kennedy Agyapong. Ne excesses na midja. Me nkwa to me to make am against no to make am against me. But I supported Bawumia say Bawumia. Say people for na fa Bawumia nkwa ombeluzu. That was 2019. Ebimu di matem, but that was the truth. Because I thought that going forward no, Bawumia and Mahama meeting at the post will be a match of equals. A match of two people, a match of two people who all came in as running mates, and now presidential candidates. A match of two people who know what it takes to stand for elections, and a match of two people who have all been groomed. Take it, Bawumia by the same way to Mahama.
Yo, it for waiting and some of your lady if you pokua what it took a Kennedy Agyapong our cotton a Bawumia campaign not as a Emma Ekuyama Bawumia and no analysis and whom summer lady Eddie Atuja. Make us DC so and a whole heno so we can subscribe ya. Message over subscribe and like it. Now I say video amma awful fresh so in your na wash. Was who get me at a wagon Afriyie and so we now a walk comment boxing. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.